Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start by installing and signing into the Drive app, so everything you add syncs automatically. Once installed, open Drive and sign in with the Google account you plan to use. This links storage and sharing. Make sure to grant photos and files permissions when iOS asks so uploads work reliably. Also enable notifications to receive share and activity alerts. After that, tap the plus button to begin uploading or creating files. That is your first actionable move into Drive on iPhone. Now focus on getting your content into Drive and organized. Tap the plus icon to upload photos, choose Scan to capture documents, or upload files from the Files app. This ensures originals are preserved in cloud. Create folders and drag items, or use Move to keep things tidy, and star important files for quick access. Use the search bar and filters to find items by name or type, and preview files to confirm successful uploads before proceeding to share or offline enable them. Finish by sharing, enabling offline access, and verifying sync. Tap the three dots next to a file to share and set viewer or editor rights. This creates links or invites who need access. Toggle available offline for files you must reach without a connection, and use the backup settings for photos if desired. If uploads or syncs fail, check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection, confirm Drive has file and photo permissions in iPhone settings, and verify you haven't exceeded your Google storage quota, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.